Okay, I know people are probably wondering why is she showing her clothes? There's a reason why I'm showing my clothes. Okay. About this new portable washing machine. Okay, this is what it is. Inside. This is the dryer compartment. This is the cord. The outlet I use is over there, but I need to get an extension, which I already have one. I use this to let the water drain into. This is the hose. I'm gonna get another extension part to it so that way I can just use it in the sink or the bathtub. But for right now, this works. I am completely satisfied with this purchase. I had to do this for myself. And here's the instructions, the make, the model. All the parts. I purchased this on Amazon. I will be putting a link in the description or on my community wall. And again, this is a 30-pound washer and dryer. Where it says spin and it says wash.